Don't you worry what they tell themselves when you're away. It just takes some time, a little bit here in the middle of the route. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright, alright. And hey, you know we're all the same. You know you're doing better on your own, so don't buy in. Just live right now and just be yourself. It doesn't matter if it's good enough for someone else.